Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes and today's video follows on from my last video where I replaced the cam belt on my dad's trusty Mark 1 Focus estate. This evening I'm going to be taking Maude, my 2 litre Zetec powered Mk2 Escort, to a car meet. Now I think I've only made one other video at a car meet and that was a GHETTO street meet, and the meet I'm going to tonight is also a GHETTO street meet. They always pull big numbers and their legendary Send It Square will be alive tonight as well. So there should be loads of donuts and drifting going on, so hoping for a really good night. A couple of things I've had to do on Maude today, just general maintenance really. The anti-roll bar needed tightening up where it meets the track control arms. Should have split pins in there really, but I'll just keep tightening them up. Also, I had a bit of a parasitic drain from my battery, which turned out to be the fuel pump being wired in a little bit wrong. Other than that, she's good to go. Absolutely loving the way it drives with the new light flywheel as well. So much more responsive. Haven't been sideways in it since I fitted it, but looking forward to having a first go at that tonight. Got some company. Fred. Nath, long time no see. Daz. Lee sold a Transit recently because he had too many projects, he said. Now he's bought this one. Oh dear. I never saw it before it started, but... Huh? A bit worse now, is it? Or? No. It's Fred's new work van.
Rolls up all the fucking slide down rolls. As well, but
Who welded that then?
some fucking guy.
Right, so I was going to give Maude a quick wash before I take it to the meet later, but I can't be arsed now, so I'm just going to pack up round here. I need to have a quick wash and change into some spare clothes that I brought with me. Right, so we're on our way to the meet now. Daz is on board with me. Nath's coming down. Lee should be joining us later as well. But first I want to get a McDonald's because I'm absolutely starving.
Yeah. What are you getting?
Big tasty chicken.
Nice.
What are you getting?
Oh, I'm getting a wrap of the day, mate. I'm a poor man. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Mm.
Can I share my radio?
Nah, mate, copyright. Can't get that on the video, man. After you. Oh dear. Yeah, it looks like whoever runs the car park has closed it down, so just going to have a look online and see if they've got another location sorted out. So second location hasn't been completely shut off, but it looks like there's car park security at the entrance, so I doubt anyone's going to be fucking around in here being too naughty, but we'll park up and see what's about anyway. Sorry. Sorry, man.
I'll always allow an old Escort.
Well, at least this one weren't shut off. I think everyone's getting asked to leave. There's a geezer walking round. He looks like he's old Bill. He's got a vest on anyway. There are two of them.
One over there.
They're over there.
Yeah, there's one there and then one back over there. I'll just see them.
I think they're trying to get rid of everyone. Yeah, apparently they're talking about seizing people's cars, which is a bit extreme. We're going to do the off. Yeah, Nathan's van just seemed to have a problem with a power steering pump. Shitty Vauxhalls, mate. Oh, don't use your handheld device when you're driving. Location number 3. What's going on tonight, man? Old Bill are well on it. This location's an old ghetto street meat favourite, so fingers crossed this one will be alright. Oh dear.
Dead.
It's fucking shut off as well. The whole fucking day's a flop, man.
Nice over there.
It's a bit of a fucking flop, this meat, isn't it?
Shut down.
Shut down. Well, we've tried to do the responsible thing and drift in car park, so there's only one thing left for it now. I have to do some street drifting. What's happening, Fred?
Yes.
Hello.
You can get LED ones for them. Make it nice bright white. Had it in my old Escort van.
Might get a Maude leather steering wheel, innit?
I'm going to need some more motion potion. Mmm.
Snacks for the journey.
M&M and milk, yeah?
We just go through a hairfield.
Well, am I following you, am I?
Yeah.
Wait for me! More juice in the tank. Now we're heading to location number 4. I'm in a convoy with 2 vans. I feel a bit out of place. Seem to be in a queue of modified cars. Don't know if we're at the place yet, because we've been following NATH. I ain't got my sat nav going. Modified cars going the opposite way.
That's not good. No.
Oh, it's changed again, huh?
Oh. Looks like this one's been shut down already before we've even got there. Fun. I remember one of Adam C's videos like this where they were just chasing locations all night. Like.
That's basically what is happening.
Yeah. Go and get some snacks, man. Snacks! Daz has gone for a piss. It's about the 10th piss he's had tonight. He's been drinking too many Stellas. I'm going to buy myself an Easter egg. Not for fucking £6.29, I ain't. You're turning into a right fucking coffee fiend, man.
Why?
Since you got that coffee machine, you're a different person, man. Yeah, you ain't the same. Hot shot. Power boost. Improves BHP by up to 10%. That's a bold statement.
Isn't it?
Wasting all that money on mods and that, all I had to do was buy that. Snake oil. So before we actually got to the 5th location, they put a thing on the Facebook page saying, hold tight. Fuel up, have a coffee, relax and hold tight. It's exactly what you're doing, Lee. Daz is fueling up. Hannah's been for a mad ride in the Mk2 Escort, that's what it is. Nath and Fred are building me a custom exhaust. Fucking pair of liabilities. Welding it, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
What's that, a tape weld,
bad
is it?
earth, I think.
Bad earth. Can I start it yet?
Yes.
So now they put a postcode up in Twickenham, which is another half hour away from here, back past where we was.
All part of the fun, isn't it, mate?
Nath's having a great time. I'll just follow you, Lee, how's that? Don't leave me in that fucking monster transit, man. Right, so postcode number 5, 6, 5? Postcode number 5 or 6. has led us to Twickenham, but we ended up in a car park that was very small. It wasn't closed though. We're just going to try and find the local Tesco's because that's apparently where the meet is. So this must be all the hardcore cruisers who have made it to the
This is it, boys.
61st location, or wherever we're at. Welcome to location number 61.
Hi YouTube.
The OB have arrived.
Fucking nothing better to do.
It's becoming a bit of a pattern tonight, isn't it?
It look like we're stabbing people. For fuck's sake. Rather us out the road causing mayhem.
Yeah, fuck it, man. We're just going to have to start drifting on the streets, I think.
Right, put your lights on. Dangerous bastards. I'm going for a pony.
We're coming to look at the Mark 2 Fiesta. Over there. Hey? Everyone seems to be disappearing now because the traffic police are turned up. Fred's just messaged the Ghetto Street Meet page to ask if there's another location. There can't be many locations left in the world. It's now the next day. It was a real shame about the Ghetto Street Meet last night. Old Bill were proper on the ball. They were obviously watching the Facebook page and they were shutting down locations before most people even got to them. Ghetto Street Meets are usually absolutely epic and I'm sure they'll be able to redeem themselves in the future. I'll leave a link to the Ghetto Street Meet Facebook page in the description of this video and their Instagram. So if you haven't been to one of their meets, do go and check out some of their past ones. Last year, one of their meets actually made it in the news when there was some sick drifting around some pillars in an Asda car park. Even with all that happened last night, it was still a good crack driving around in a Mark II, and I'm looking forward to attending loads more car meets throughout the year. I'm going to end this video here, but if you thought it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel to keep right up to date with future uploads. And don't forget to activate that notification bell. Feel free to check out my Facebook and my Instagram, and I'll leave the links you need for that in the description as well. Till next time, thanks for watching.